Hey friends, if you wish to download the Intel IJ IDEA software on your computer, then please watch this video. Now, before downloading any software, I open the Microsoft Store and then I search for that software on the Microsoft Store itself because that's the best place to download. However, I'll give you a rude surprise. When you search for this software on the Microsoft Store, you don't find it there. So the best option is to search for it on the Bing search bar, not on Google, on the Bing search bar, because Bing gives a save download option, which is the first one. Now I'll search for it in the Bing search bar and I'll try to add the word download and hit enter. And I still didn't get the download option here, which is something I get for other ones. But here's the thing, I have this thing for download. So I'll try and click on the first option. I mean the first search result, and I'll download it from there. Now it will download an exe file and then it will give us the option to click on yes or no. So I clicked on yes and I think it will download and open directly. Once it downloads, it'll start loading on your system and it will verify the installer. Then you have to click on yes and then you can install by clicking on next, next, next and install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.